Hi, I'm Chef Tammy Brawley from the Green Kitchen, and welcome to Heart of the Home. Today I'm going to show you a fantastic dip. I love doing this kind of as a poolside dip. It's great with already cooked cold shrimp, and what I discovered several years ago, it's also delicious on grilled pineapple. So we're going to do this. We're going to make the sauce and grill some pineapple. What I have here in my bowl to start with is a little bit of what's called sambal olique. It's kind of a Thai Vietnamese dish. It's almost like a thick sriracha. It can be found pretty much in any standard grocery store. And it's a little spicy, but we've got that in our bowl already. And to that, we're going to add some orange zest. And we're going to juice the oranges. And probably get about a tablespoon or two out of that. Do the other one. And one of the kickers that's in this particular recipe is actually agave or maple syrup. I'm going to whip that right in there. It's about a half a cup or so of agave. If you don't have quite a half a cup, which it looks like I probably do there, you can certainly add some maple syrup to that. That's not a problem at all. And then the last thing you want to add is actually a tablespoon of tomato paste. That's going to kind of give it a little thickness. And for those of you that get into a can of tomato paste and you only need 1 tablespoon, I'll give you a little hack. Take out a tablespoon at a time onto a piece of plastic and wrap that up with a tie or whatever and put it in your freezer. And then every time you need tomato paste, you can pull out a tablespoon at a time. It's a great little hack, and we do it all the time here in our kitchen. So we're going to leave the tomato paste over there, and now I'm going to add some green onions that I've already chopped. And we're just going to whisk this away here. You can see it's already starting to thicken up. And we've got some pre-cooked cold shrimp ready to go. And our burner is warming under our grill pan, and we're going to grill some pineapple. I'm going to do a little nonstick spray. And then while the pineapple is grilling, we will put together the sauce with the shrimp. Grilling fruit is absolutely delicious. I love to grill watermelon, believe it or not. That only takes a couple of seconds. But grilling any sort of fruit brings out the natural sweetness. I love doing this with grilled pineapple. So we'll let that go for a few minutes. Coming back to our shrimp dip, I'm going to show you a neat little trick here. You know, if you wanted to make a little fancy shrimp cocktail, you could get a little glass, a few shrimp, and you could cut the shrimp, not all the way through, but down on the belly a little bit. Put it on the glass. This glass looks a little too small for as many shrimp as I've got here, so we're just going to do a couple. And then you can take a small ladle and your sauce. Pour that into the glass. All right. I kind of call this not your mama's cocktail sauce. And there you have a neat little way of doing a shrimp cocktail. And then you could also put the sauce into a bowl. All right. And you can plate the shrimp on the platter around the sauce. And then you've got a great way of having a dipping sauce for your shrimp. One of my favorites to do is that. And now we're going to come back to our pineapple. You want to make sure you get that main core out of the pineapple. You really don't want to bite into something hard. Now I've turned them over and I see grill marks on one side. I'm going to go ahead and take some of this sauce. I'm going to start basting the pineapple. And these are just about ready. All right, got some nice beautiful grill marks on that. And your thicker pieces are going to take a few more minutes to cook, but they'll still be equally delicious if you take them off early. All right. There you have it. We have a delicious sweet and spicy dipping sauce for your shrimp, which can also be put on grilled pineapple, and you can make these pretty little shrimp cocktails for your summer parties and poolside parties. I'm Chef Tammy Brawley from the Green Kitchen. Join us next time on Heart of the Home.